What are good natural remedies to treat food allergies, food intolerances? Food allergies are different than food intolerances. Food allergies is when your immune system responds to a protein in an allergen and increases the histamine level. It is through this antibody in the body that produces IgE response. That's different than food tolerance. So for food allergies, we want to reduce the histamine. Vitamin C or quercetin is a good remedy to use. For food intolerances, we need to really address the leaky gut. We need to address the gut health. So for that, a good elimination diet where we start from a very simple food and we add to that, for example, GAPS diet is an excellent diet to help with the food intolerances. And for remedies, good digestive enzyme, vitamin B5, a good probiotics, and fermented vegetables. But really, we have to add them stage by stage. We can't just bombard the body with all these different supplements. Essential oils, for example, peppermint oil, which reduces the inflammation in the gut, eucalyptus oil, which opens up the sinuses and helps with breathing better, so increase the circulation, is also a good remedy to consider.